Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add Google Maps to Canva. So if you need to show your clients exactly where your business is located, or maybe you are designing a wedding invitation like this with a venue map, here I'm going to show you how you can embed a fully interactive Google Map directly into your Canva designs. So what you need to do is just open your design, head into apps menu by clicking on apps in here. Then on the search column, you can just search for Google Maps here. Click on the options and open it. So you can add Google Maps to your Canva design. Just hit on open, and then you can just search for a place, coordinate, or a key. For example, I'm going to just use one of this option. Let's say this one. Click on the locations, and then you can resize it. You can also edit the link if needed. You can make it small and put it anywhere in your design, so when you share this, the other person can click it and it will open the Google Maps apps directly. And so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.